When I was 22, I found out that I had 5 years to live, or I'd have to have a liver transplant. I made it till 50 before I needed a transplant, so I beat the odds to start with. We actually live on the outside of Crestview, kind of out in the country a little bit. It's nice. It's kind of quiet and peaceful out here. Love it. My wife, we've been married for 25 years. I've got 2 kids. I started out with little dreams, like I hope I can just see them get through middle school. And then I did. Then it was to get them through high school. And I didn't quite make it through high school before I got really sick. We went into the Mayo Clinic to get the transplant. After the surgery, my stomach was starting to hurt really bad, and it was getting worse and worse, and it turned out that I was in septic shock. I coded again then. For all practical purposes, I was dead, and they resuscitated me twice. I didn't know how seriously sick I was till later on, talking with the doctors, and they told me that I had maybe a 30% chance of survival. They were searching and trying to figure out what was causing it and what to do, and I was curious as to how they just picked which antibiotic to use. I'm an engineer, so I understand data mining and all, so it's pretty cool to know that they had this new tool to help them diagnose and pinpoint the actual cause and use the right antibiotics. And now I understand that it was a product by Ambient. Now maybe even more and more people can start surviving what used to be a life-ending disease. Just surviving sepsis is amazing, but most people that survive it have serious medical issues afterwards. I'm fine. I'm better than I've been in years, and I'm living life. 6 weeks after a liver transplant, I went offshore fishing. I'm gonna escort my daughter for the homecoming court. There's no words to describe the feeling that I have, that I get to be a part of her life when it looked like I may not. I think there's several things that helped me survive this health crisis. The love of my family, my faith, the amazing medical team at the Mayo Clinic, and organizations like Rock Health that support innovative companies like Ambient. I'm truly a walking miracle. To be so sick and now to be so well.